Can I help you?
Thank you.
You're English?
Yes. Excuse me. Could you get my towel? It's over there.
This one?
It's the striped one. Orange and brown. Oh. Thank you.
May I accompany you?
But what about your cure?
No, I'll readily forego that if you'll give me the pleasure of having a drink with you.
Thank you. But I'm afraid I am a little tired. Perhaps later.
Fine, I look forward to that.
Oh. I'm Barbara Carey. And you?
I'm David Malcolm.
Now David Malcolm has a face. Salute.
Salute.
This is my first visit to Sardinia. Do you come here a lot?
Every weekend, if I can. I suffer from rheumatism. It's the price one pays for loving the sea.
Do you go a lot to the sea?
Well, I live on a small island between Sardinia and Corsica. The Isola del Gabbiano.
Seagull Island.
See?
It sounds much more romantic in Italian.
Yes. Yes, it is romantic. Perhaps one day you will visit my island and...
See for myself?
Yes, that is exactly what I was going to say. You know, you really don't look blind.
Don't worry, David. I don't mind. I would love to come to your island one day.
Good. You know, you really must forgive me, but it's later than I realized. I have to go to Geneva tonight.
Tonight? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm keeping you.
No. But I really shall have to leave now.
I'll come out with you.
That's very nice.
Thank you.
2 steps. I don't like flying at night. I love to be able to see where I'm going. Here we are. Grazie. Well then, Barbara. Until we meet again.
Goodbye, David.
You won't forget Seagull Island.
Isla del Gabbiano. Is that right?
Si. Tu parli Italiano. Bravo. Are you sure you don't want me to show you back?
No, I'm fine. Bye.